In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your LAN connection of your PS5 keeps disconnecting at random moments. This could be an issue that is a hardware problem, or sometimes it's just a software problem. I'll show you a few different tricks on how to solve this. Many people complain that there's a problem with the design of this LAN port on the PS5. You see over here, this is where the warm air comes out of it, okay? These are the vents. What can happen is over time, this gets warm and it melts the cable and the connectors. You may not see it visually that it melted, but that's why the connection keeps disconnecting. Now, one of the things that you can try at first is get another LAN cable. Just replace it with another one. Sometimes just by doing this, you solve the problem. A person on Reddit actually suggested that instead of using one of these regular cable over here that is rounded, you use a flat cable, which you'll be able, when connected, to redirect it and it will stay, out of the warm air that comes out of the fans. Also, by browsing Reddit, I also see somebody else offering as a solution to put a spacer. This port over here, the Ethernet port of your PS5, can come loose over time. And even if you hear a click, it does not connect properly. It's still loose, and that's why it keeps disconnecting. A spacer is just a piece of plastic. Actually, you can use some cardboard, something to tuck it right under here and keep this cable from wiggling the way you see right now. Okay, by putting something here, it will just keep it in place and keep it connected. This could also be another solution. Now, if nothing changed even after you did this, let's go on the screen. So what you can do is, go in the settings first. Okay, top right corner, go in settings, then go in network. Go in settings, set up internet connection, and from here select your wired connection. Then on the controller, press the option button once to get these options on the right side. Finally, go down and select advanced settings. Go down and primary DNS, try to input 8.8.8.8, and for secondary DNS, okay, once you click on it, input 8.8.4.4. And from this page, you should also go over here, DHCP host, select don't specify, and make sure that under proxy server, it's also set to do not use, and MTU settings, set it to automatic. Then press OK. You absolutely need to press OK, if not, it will not save the settings. And hopefully by doing these changes, you're gonna get rid of the problem. Another thing that you can try, it's to go on your Wi-Fi router, disconnect it from the wall outlet, wait about 5 minutes and connect it back. Some Wi-Fi routers, after a while, you need to do this. I don't know why, but it solved many connections issues. And for some other people, this problem is coming by the fact that the PS5 is trying to connect from time to time to your Wi-Fi, although it's connected using a LAN cable. So what I can suggest is to go back in network settings, set up internet connection, and if you have a Wi-Fi registered over here, you see I have this Wi-Fi, simply again click the option button and click forget. This way, the PS5 will not try to connect to your Wi-Fi randomly and disconnect from your LAN connection. If you have any other tricks on how to solve this issue, I'm really curious. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.